What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to True Leisure Diaries. Mega love shout out mga blooms. Yes, we are going to do a reaction video for Beanie, and this is for their bikini moving dance practice. So this is their newest single, guys, entitled Bikini. I'm so excited to check this out. But before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Leisure Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. It's a dance performance. Wow. Oh my god, I love the beat of this new song. Let's go back to that, guys, a bit. Hold on. Let me just go back to the start of the video. Moving dance practice kasi may pa-camera effect. Oh. Hey, hey. Oh my gosh. In fairness, first of all, I would like to check the outfit of the girls. I love this, very summer vibe na white tank top and then maong na short with a panyo all over. I love it, very Gen Z. At iba ang pitikan ng dance move ngayon ng Beanie, guys. Grabe. Oozing with sassiness. Grabe naman si Joanna dun. Uy! Ah. Oh my God! Mika. Grabe. Iba ang sultriness at sassiness ng Beanie this time, guys. Stacy, fuck. Ang ganda ni Colette, no? Kamukha din na D. I love their dance move, guys. Grabe, iba na, hindi ko, last time I see them dancing, parang iba yung moves nila this time, guys. They're slaying the dance move. Talagang parang pinaghandaan nila itong camera moving practice na ito. Hey. Go Maloy. I love it. Stacey. Gusto ko yung tatalon-talon na gano'n. Very Playboy bunnies ang datingan. I love it. In fairness, I love the beat of the song, plus yung vocals nila dito, iba yung beat. Yung parang Pantropico vibes, pero mas iba yung beat na kinuha nila this time. Ooh, love the bass. Oh my God. Ooh, that is so good. Slaying. Go, Gwen. Iba rin to si Gwen talaga. Alam mo, si Gwen yung pinaka-sultry yung datigan sa kanila. Even yung pagkulay niya ng hair, saka hairstyle niya, laging kakaiba. Ira. Tama ba? Ira, diba? Oh my God. Si Mika din, Mika talaga is always a crowd favorite, no? And that red hair, pinanindigan niya. Hey. Go, Joanna. Oh my God. Alam mo, panlaban na sila sa sex bomb, guys. Pwede na silang, mag-collab with Sex Bomb yung ating mga pinalaki ng Sex Bomb na 90s moves. Tapos yung Gen Z moves naman ng Beanie. Perfect na. I love that, yung parang chill beat ng vibe in a way na ang ganda ng bass, ang ganda ng sound. It's something very Gen Z. Oo, ganon. Kasi alam mo naman, tito tayo of Philippines. Sarap. Oh my God, nakakabitin naman. Yun na pala yun. Oh, kabog. Yes. Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Beanie with their bikini moving dance practice. Oh my God, they slayed it. Very sassy. I love the moves. I love the groove and the vibe of the song. Yung bass, ang ganda. Ang ganda nung chill bass vibe, yung datingan niya. Just for me, guys, I don't know about that terminology in terms of a Gen Z music vibe, but for me, that's how I presume the beat of the song, and as well as grabe yung in-improve ng sayaw nila. Parang very precise ngayon, yung precision, yung moves, yung movement, the steps, and also yung projection nila. Grabe, very sassy. Talaga naman, they slayed this performance. Meron ba music video na to, guys? You can comment down below. I want to see the official music video of this new song of Beanie. And of course, we're so proud of these girls. They're always been the nation's girl group. Talaga naman, we love them so much, and we will always support them no matter what. Yes, tama ba yan, mga ka-blooms? Comment down below what can you say about this performance. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.